Hi, I'm Denise Cook of Denise Cook Official. I have a new channel and I'm so excited to share with you guys some of the things in my everyday life. I'm a 50 plus model, but I also am a master coach. So with this channel, I'm going to be sharing a little bit of everything. So please interact with me and let me know what types of things you'd like to see from me. So I was really excited about this. This is a custom blended hair care line. Its name is Prose. And I was really excited about that because, well, first I'll tell you the backstory about my hair. So I have always had very thick, healthy hair down to my waist. I've kept it that way my entire life. And like I said, I'm in my 50s now. Well, as I was modeling and trying to keep my portfolio consistent, I had the idea that to get rid of doing this constant hair maintenance all the time, that if I were to go like this beautiful platinum, it would just be like tapping the roots and be done with it. But things didn't quite work out that way. So, like I said, I'm going to show a picture of what my hair used to look like. And this has just transpired over the last couple of years. But so my hair was down to here. I was going to a new person and he was like, "Oh, yeah, your hair is so healthy. The integrity of it's great. It's going to be fine. We can do that." Well, it didn't go that way. It destroyed my hair. So I think the first time I had to cut like 18 inches off. It looks terrible. So on any note, I thought about it for a year. I kept trying to baby it, letting it grow out. And I even tried doing extensions. No judgment on anyone who does that. It just wasn't my thing. I didn't like how it felt and the maintenance and so forth. So I just decided to go ahead and cut it all off. So that's where I'm at now. So what I'm wanting to do is just do everything possible. I believe that healthy hair comes from the inside out. But I think also what you put on the outside makes a big difference also. When I was going through my healing journey, I didn't even put shampoo and conditioner on my hair for 2 years. 2 years. But I'm really excited about this. So just wanted to show you. You go online and they have like this long questionnaire. So I really felt like I was listened to about my hair with the custom blending of this. So I was really excited to get this in. And just opened it up. There's like a nice card in here that tells you about your specific blends and all the ingredients that are in there. They included a nice little comb, wet comb, which I love. And all of the products come with your own custom label. So I opted to get the leave-in conditioner, shampoo conditioner, the hair mask, and then underneath here is I'll have to take them all out to show you. It's it's a nice serum, a nice hair oil. They have you elect when you fill out your questionnaire, you can elect to order, the pumps, and you can just continue to use these so that you're not having to recycle those. So I'm very excited to give this a try. So I'll do some more video. I wish you could. My hair is it's very fine, but I have a ton of it, and it feels like really nice and soft. But I definitely feel like it still has a look of dryness to it, and I'm sure it's going to because I am continuing to color it. But let's see what happens with this. So I will share with you guys what happens next. Much love. Be sure to comment. Let me know what things you guys would like to see and if you have tried this product and what your thoughts are.